Hello viewers, welcome to this platform. I'm super excited to introduce to you our 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤 apartments. Are you new in town? Are you visiting? Or you just want a place filled with class, excellence, comfort and relaxation? Then waste no time. Join us in our 𝙎𝙤𝙤𝙤 apartments and accommodation, and you are going to thank me later. This place is filled with state-of-the-art finishing, spacious environment, nicely looking rooms and kitchen environment. Check out the space and the ambience in this place. Check out the luxury in this apartment, and you are going to tell me thank you after. Okay, so this place is really very affordable and you are going to get the value for your money. See you when you come around.